Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers, and yeah, so I will show you proof first, and I'll tell you in the website. So yeah, I'll show you proof. Let's go to Subway Surfers. I'm going to turn down the volume so it's not too loud. Okay, so me, like you can see, I have 99999 everything, and it doesn't go down. Let's see the one that I haven't bought out. Okay, let's just watch my thing. My thing's out. I got the hiccups. See, it doesn't change at all. Okay, let's get into the video, and let me show you what website. The link will be in the description below. So, you're going to need Google Chrome, and it only works on Android devices unless you have an iOS jailbroken device. Okay. So, you go to Google Chrome. I have it pasted, but okay. So you go to, one second, I pressed the wrong button, guys. Paste. So you go to www.69.zippyshare.com/v/y whatever. Whenever you get into this, all you have to do is go press download, and I already have it there, and you just let it download. Then it should show it right up here. Then just go play the game, guys. So the link will be in the description below. And this is iOS Gaming. And please like and subscribe the video. And subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out to all.